please.
Hi everybody, we are here with Dr. Ruey Chen. She is the president of the International Federation of Cell Biology, and right now we're going to interview her and make some few questions in this International Congress of Cell Biology. Thank you very much for being with us, and we are so proud to have you here. And please, doctor, can you tell us why does the International Federation of Cell Biology decide to bring Mexico as this place of this 15th International Congress?
Actually, it was decided as the previous one, the 14th ICCB in Mexico, but because there was pandemic, COVID pandemic, and many things go wrong. So it was the 14th was in Asia, in Taiwan, and then followed by this one. And I believe this is probably the first ICCB in the Central America, probably. Yeah.
Wow.
So for the the district, we want to have ICCB meeting in different places in the world. And Mexico is in the middle of the America, right? So it's pretty good. It connects North and the South America. And also for our Asia people, we can arrive here not too far, too difficult. Yeah, so a lot of Asia participate in this meeting. Yeah, from Taiwan, from China.
Yeah, and here in Cancun, in the Caribbean Sea, in Mexico, one of the most beautiful places here in Mexico. So we are very thankful and welcome to all the International Federation of Cell Biology. And can you tell us what are your own expectations about this Congress here in Mexico?
Okay, actually in the beginning, Dr. Luis Garcia proposed Mexico City, but then we asked him to change to like Cancun, and this is wonderful place. It's very beautiful, and I think the venue is also great. Yeah, it's very convenient. We can live and meet and have meeting in the same resort. Yeah, it's wonderful. Yeah, and outside of this resort, there are many things can be explored. Yeah, so the attendee can know more about these places.
Yes, we can have a lot of touristic places, so all the people around the world can visit us and know more about Mexico and what our country is offering for all of you. And what do you think are the strengths and the opportunities of the Mexican cell biologists?
Okay, actually I was a bit surprised this morning. Sorry. So we had only one symposium, two symposium today, and it's just the beginning. I was only in one symposium, which is in the phase separation, and there are two speakers from Mexico, and I was pretty surprised that their level are comparable to other international speakers, and the quality of the symposium and also the keynote speech are very, very high and equivalent to the meetings like in the US, like ASCD meeting, the American Society of Cell Biology meeting. It's almost the same. So I think it's wonderful. Yeah, in Mexico, you can have this high quality symposium, high quality meeting.
Yeah, here we have a lot of research and a lot of investigations about cell biology, especially here at the Faculty of Science of the National Autonomous University of Mexico, which has the 85th anniversary in this year, in 2024. So we are honored to have you all here in this celebration. And just to finish our interview, can you tell us how can the cell biology prevent future illness and pandemic catastrophes such as respiratory sickness and in these topics about?
Okay, actually in this meeting, I think the organizer organized a very plentiful symposium, and their topic are related to other areas such as infectious disease, microbiology. So the cell, everything, every living animal or living substance has cell, right? So the cell in the bacteria or the pathogen all have important fundamental cellular process, and therefore understanding this fundamental cellular process can solve many kind of medical problems. For instance, like other new infectious disease, we just had COVID-19, which is terrible, right?
Yeah.
And other things may emerge later, and so this cell biology can provide the fundamental basis led us to develop a new therapeutic strategy, not only for infectious disease, but for other things like cancer or like aging, which is, I think, is an important problem, because in many places in the world, people are getting older and older. The birth rate is dropped. Okay, yeah. So cell biology tells us how the cell age and what went wrong and how we can revert that. So for all kinds of these issues, it will help us to have better health and the better life quality, something like that.
Yeah, we're checking and we're analyzing all this, how to have a better kind of life here with this Congress, and we are so honored, and we thank you so much for this interview, for these few words, and we invite all of the people that is watching this video to follow all the activities of this Congress in our websites and in our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channels. So please follow, and thank you very much,
Thank you.
Doctor, and thank you so much.
Thank you. So you are